Hello from Slovenia again. It's been a while since I did a reverse flower dip, but today I'm on a flower mood. I will use this flower shaped cup, paper, napkin, and of course acrylic paints, and I mixed my paints today with Owatrol Floetrol European brand. And I will play with primary colors, and I will layer 3 primaries, pearl white, that it's Vallejo pearl medium, mixed with some titanium white and Floetrol. And then I will separate with pearl white, and I will go again with different order. I will start first with cyan, magenta, primary yellow, and then I will go magenta, primary yellow, cyan, and then I will go primary yellow, and so on. First I will pour my black for the base down, and I will tilt it out back to my cup. I will do this off camera. Quick torch. And now I will measure the middle with this string. I find this way the easiest way. I like to start in the middle because I normally just go off center with my flower, because you pour your paints a little heavier maybe on one side, and that's how everything goes. So I will start with pearl white. And now all 3 primaries. Blue, magenta, and yellow. And I'm working on 10 by 10 inch canvas today. And I will turn this around because I normally pour a little more paint on one side than on the other, I think. And now I will start with magenta. And the yellow. And blue. Turn this again, pearl white, and yellow, and blue, again. And blue. And magenta. And I will here add pearl white and then a little black, just to maybe have some more defined center or something. And magenta. And yellow. Whoop. And blue. end up with yellow. Okay, now I will grab a skewer. To create more 3D look, because I will braid these lines and the petals will look more like 3D. And I will remove the cup. And now I will spray my paper napkin with a little bit of water to soften it a little bit and start with lifting the napkin off the canvas, because this is the tricky part too. Okay, let's put down my napkin in the middle of the flower, the middle of the napkin in the middle of the flower, and the other half. Okay, just gently touch to make sure that everything touches the napkin, and gather up my corners in the middle. And now the sides. This one is a little tricky, and lift it up towards the middle, and I didn't do the best job. I can correct this a little bit and it will be okay. Okay, now we will add a little of the base coat on the corners, because I did pull some paint off with my napkin, and in the meantime I hope we will get some basing out. I will torch it first, and even if it stays like that, it's gorgeous. I was hoping for less lacing, that's why I added 3 colors and separate them with pearl white to create that 3D lacing look, and I think that I achieved that because I love this flower. It's beautiful, isn't it? Some people like to spin this out. I kind of don't like, because I love the negative space that stays. So I will say that I'm done. One more torch, and then I will take it down for a close-up. Here she is. She is beautiful. See, all kind of, we have orange, we have purple, we have pink, we have green. It's a colorful flower, even though that we used just 3 primary colors. It's kind of weird looking that way, but it's beautiful this way.